Yo, wow. 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 Like, come on out, Fred. Let's play.
Careful, don't break it. Get that knife.
Wow. Woo. Wait, baby, there's something stuck to the bottom.
It's talking to you.
Don't tell me you need a screwdriver.
I think so. It's like, he totally do.
Are you serious?
See, look at.
Push the button. He wants to push the button.
Yeah, you need a screwdriver to unscrew this right here.
Oops.
Yeah. There's one in that bag up there, man.
The bag is in the bookshelf.
Yeah, plastic thing.
Look in the third drawer down. Is it not in there? I thought it was in there.